This guy can come out.
You kept the hat.
Yeah, I have.
I'm shocked.
Alright. So
Your camera lens looks very
foggy, yeah. Alright.
Oh, there it's going my way.
So we have made it from the hotel. We flew in to Padang and now we're about to hop on a speedboat to head to Kandui Villas.
Very lovely speedboat.
Yeah, the hotel was incredible.
Yes. I can't wait. Honestly, I'm looking forward to staying there another night on the other side.
Yeah, me too. But yeah, we've got pretty much everyone's stuff is just on the side of the road here. And we are, you know, the guys are portering our stuff to our tiny little speedboat. I thought that big one over there was what we were going to be riding and I was looking pretty forward to it, but it looks like we're on that little guy over there. But yeah, it's going to be good. Oh shit.
Awas kepala. Kepala.
Also want to do a little tour of our Uma here. Kandui is a little bit messy, so excuse the mess. We got a little couch seating area. I'm doing a bit of reading here. This blue bag over here is our laundry, and then we've got more space than Mads and I could possibly use. Got a whole upstairs area there. There's another king size bed up there. 2 king size down here. Got a little wardrobe area here, a little desk area that I've been using to edit some photos and videos. We got these pretty cool Kandui Villas water bottles that we use to refill. Obviously can't be drinking the water here. Got AC. Come over here and, like I say again, you gotta excuse the mess. But yeah, got this full size mirror here, bathroom area, shower, loo. Like I said, AC. We started out sleeping on this bed, but we ended up getting some pretty terrible night's sleeps because if you hear, the thing just makes a racket. So we were rolling around in the night, waking ourselves up, and decided to move to this one here. So we've been sleeping here the past few nights. And then yeah, like I said, there's another bed up there. Got a little fan over there. And yeah, it's super spacious. Come out here, this side. This opens up into our little garden area, a little lawn. Then that walkway goes straight out onto the beach there. Mads has got her little hammock set up over here. She's been doing some reading over here. Reading and chilling out with Bubbles, the cow. Nice little spot either side here to just sit back and do a bit of reading, which, to be honest, I thought I would be doing a whole lot more of, but been on quite a tight surf schedule, so I haven't done too much of that. But yeah, that's our little Uma here, and yeah. Alright, so the surfboards that I ended up ordering online were not ready in time, so I had to go on a little bit of a shopping spree, and I really actually wanted to, would have made really good content to film the shopping spree, because it's the most money I've ever spent on surfboards and surf equipment, and I got some really cool stuff. But I guess I can just film it now and show you guys what I got. So show you guys those boards a little bit more now. But those are my that's like my performance board and my step up. And then over here I have my fun board. And for my fun board, I was originally gonna get, and this is what I've been surfing. I haven't surfed the other two yet, but I have surfed this guy. So what I was gonna get was the Lost round-nosed fish, and I was gonna go for 5, 6, and like 29 liters, which I'm so glad I actually couldn't get at the end of the day, because 29 liters would have been a push and it would not have felt like a fun board for me. So I ended up finding those two other boards, which I've already showed you now on the bed, and I got those two first because they were close to my literage and size, and then I got this guy right at the end after I got those two, and I got this one because it just looked like a fun board. It was nice color, and I ended up getting it, and it was 32.5 liters, I think. And I thought that was gonna feel like really like a big board for me. That was gonna be a lot of literage, but with me being so unfit and like surfing so many longboards and stuff, it actually ended up feeling like that's how many liters I should have in my standard shortboard. So that says a lot about the state of my surfing fitness, but we're gonna get fitter. But anyways, yeah, this is the Lost Twin Pin by Mikey February, and I'm riding it with these Channel Islands keel fins. And these are the fins, I guess, that are just designed for the twin pin. And today I was surfing pretty flat waves. I was surfing a wave called 4 Bobs, and the board feels pretty, like it doesn't really perform in those sorts of waves, like flat burgerish waves. But the first session I took it out, I was surfing Uluwatu, and I took it out, and it was my first session in ages, and you know, I was sort of just like finding my feet again. So the first few waves I took were kind of like insiders, and then built up my confidence a bit more and got some bombs. And the board, like on the smaller waves, the board feels like it wants to skate out a bit, and the tail feels like it just wants to like jump if you push it on a bottom turn. But once you get it into like a really hollow wave, it finds this sort of like boost section, and it kind of like locks into the wave and like has like all this hold, and it feels really great. So I'm excited to take it out in some more good waves, some more hollow waves, and just test that out a little bit more. But yeah, so far pretty fun board, but yeah, just looking forward to taking it out in some more good waves. So let's go inside here and just check out the other boards I got. So first, let's do this one first. Over here we have Channel Islands Happy Traveler, and I ended up getting this one because I was looking for something with like a 510 with 29 liters, and this was pretty much as close as I could find to that, which was a 511 28.5 liters. But it looks really fun. It looks like a good board, and I like the black rails, and yeah, it just stood out to me in the store, so I ended up going with this guy. And after I get my fitness up a little bit, then hopefully I'll be able to surf this guy and paddle into some waves with him. And then this one I think I'm probably the most excited about. This is a Christensen. Don't even know how to pronounce the shaper's name. But anyways, this thing was so sick. Like the spray is just really cool. And yeah, this is just like gonna be a barrel magnet. Just noticed now there's a little chip on the back there. But yeah, this is my like step up board. Again, I was looking for something 6'3", and this one was 6'3". And yeah, it just looks like it's got it like pretty chunky under the chest area, right over there. Got a nice thick rail there, so I think it's gonna paddle really nicely and hopefully get me into some big barrels if they end up coming our way. And then for the accessories, the rest of the gear, I got the kind Andy grip for that one, and then got a John grip for my step up. But I'm thinking now that I might actually just ride this guy without a grip and put this grip on the twin pin. Then yeah, I just got some Decline leeches, got a 7-footer for the step up, and got a 6-footer for a normal board. And then these are the fins I'm going to be using for both of them, which is these Shaper Series FCS2 Omeric thrusters. The AMs, these are the ones I use, pretty standard, like on any board I get. These are what I'm putting on my board, something that I know what they feel like and familiar with them, so those are going to be going on my board. So yeah, that's my gear. That's what I'm going to be using for the next few days here in the Mets.